These are the lifts at the Leonardo Hotel at Christchurch in Dublin, Ireland. These were originally Pickerings lifts, but sadly they were modernized with Otis mod Gen2. Need a key card to call them from the ground floor. As far as they have it on the outside, but not on the inside. Normally when it's a hotel, it's on the inside, but I'm not complaining. Up to 5. Here we go up. Still pretty good speed. A bit bumpy though. Here 5. Kind of see the Pickerings logo on the door. I'm not sure if you can see it. This is an executive floor. That's why this floor is my card on its own. Back on the ground. It's a basic Otis cab. Regen monitor. Irish lift services are in all these lifts. Modernized in 2019. Not sure if they had another mod before this or if this is the only mod. Because the car park one's original well before it gets modded tomorrow.